Meaning of infinitesimally.
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 Infinitesimally. Infinitesimally is an adverb that describes something as occurring in an infinitely small or imperceptible manner. It refers to a quantity or value that is so small as to be negligible, often used in mathematics and science. For example, when discussing the limit of a function, we might say that it approaches zero infinitesimally. In essence, infinitesimally describes an approach to a limit that is so gradual as to be practically non-existent. This term is often used to emphasize the minuscule or imperceptible nature of something.